What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to my vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a three-way unboxing. We're unboxing new sneakers, we're unboxing a new bag, and we're unboxing a new watch. Let's get started. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Air Force One in your size. All you have to do, guys, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the link down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. First up, we have sneakers from our friends from Saucony. So this is the Saucony Azura. If you guys haven't seen my previous reviews of other Saucony sneakers in the past, I will put the link down below to my Saucony playlist. I've actually reviewed a bunch, my favorite being the Saucony Fossil. That was a fantastic collaboration. Check it out, link down below. So let's get to the unboxing. So it comes in this blue and red colorway. By the way, guys, this is actually a retro shoe. I think it came out like several decades ago or years ago. And what Saucony is doing is that they're retroing a bunch of shoes in the next few months, next 12 months. So you will see a lot of retro great sellers and best sellers and iconic sneakers that they've had in the past. So let's continue with the unboxing. So you have that blue-red box. If you pop it open, you have that Saucony tissue paper over here, and then if you take it out, you get straight to the shoe. And OMG, this one is a looker. So as you guys can see, it is dominantly white. You have that white mesh upper together with like some sort of like suede material that stretches along the forefoot, the toe box, goes to the lacing system, goes all the way back. So it's really a mix of suede and mesh. Now, wow, I'm really digging the colorway. I am loving the white, the beige, and the blues and the yellows all coming together for the shoe. Now, apart from the striking accents of the colorways, I love the branding. So if you guys take a look at the medial side, it says there Azura, which can also be found on the tongue tab Azura. So I just love that they were able to put that brand on different parts of the sneaker. Now guys, this is a running sneaker, so it does have like a running midsole as well as an outsole. So you see those triangular shaped things on the bottom. This definitely helps with the traction and the durability of the shoe in itself. But it does have like a lot of premium, nice lifestyle materials with the suede. So this is definitely a sneaker that you can rock regardless for whatever casual occasion that you want to have. And I just love the pop of the blue and the yellow on this shoe. I will do a full review of the Saucony Azura in the coming days, so please do watch out for that one soon. Oh, apart from the sneaker, they did send me like a Saucony Rubik's Cube that you guys see here and a Saucony shirt. Next up is a first for this vlog. We will be unboxing a watch. This is from our friends, awesome friends of Akimbo. Akimbo is a streetwear lifestyle store that you guys can find over at Uptown Mall BGC. They carry a lot of great brands, some of which are my favorite sneakers. Arigato, which is a fantastic sneaker. And again, this one is LUMINOX. They also carry XTRA LARGE and a bunch of other brands. But anyway, this is a collaboration between XTRA LARGE, a Japanese label, and LUMINOX. So if you just pop the box open, wow, man, this is a really sleek looking watch. I'll just take it out of the box so you guys can see. So it is all black, has a carbon case, and I think it uses a mineral crystal glass for the top of the watch. I'm not a watch guy, so I don't know how to properly review watches, but it looks nice. And it does have like the XTRA LARGE Gorilla logo in the middle, just beneath the LUMINOX logo. I mean, I'm not the most expert when it comes to these things, but I love it. I will wear it. And thank you to the awesome folks of Akimbo, LUMINOX XTRA LARGE for sending this over. Much appreciated, guys. And lastly, rounding things off, we have a bag. This is the collaboration between the designer of A Cold Wall, Samuel Ross, and Oakley. So they came out with the capsule lineup of like a bag, belt bags, and then like a tracksuit, oversized tracksuit. This is the backpack that they came out with. It looks really nice. I mean, I love the color that they use, the industrial elements from the cable things over here, and that really awesome looking strap that you have here at the back. Now, traditional backpacks, as you guys know, have like two straps here at the back. Now, this one just has one, so you can use it as some sort of like crossbody bag with just one strap diagonally going through your body, or you can detach it because it does have some sort of system. Connect it here, and you can just have like one strap to sling over your back if that's how you want to rock your backpacks. Apart from that, It has a lot of compartments. I won't go through all the ones that are here, but you would have here at the top, you have here in the middle, and you have like a giant compartment inside. I won't go through all the features, but guys, if you do want to buy one, I think it sells for a little over 20,000 pesos. You can get it from Akimbo. They have, again, the branch over at Uptown Mall BGC is my favorite branch, but they also have like a pop-up store right now over at Greenbelt. So if that's your thing, if this is your thing, you might want to check it out and, you know, just try it and get a feel for it. I just love how they innovated some of the simple things that you take for granted, like the strap, and made it so much cooler and so much nicer and versatile compared to how you traditionally use and wear a backpack. So huge shout out again to the guys from Akimbo for hooking me up with this. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you. So yeah, guys, that's actually it for this very short unboxing vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell, and hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics of our ongoing giveaway. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up,